Viewers, if your printhead is not working well and you have to install the new printhead, just remove the old printhead and place a new one. Then right after the printer is ready, you have to print the alignment page to align the printhead. So how to print alignment page without connecting to the PC? Just you have to press this paper right after the printer became ready. Okay, the power light stop flashing and printer is in ready condition. Okay, you have to press the paper button for a while until you will see power light start flashing, and you will see a sign over here appear. It start flashing. Now printer will print alignment page, and then we will scan this alignment page and continue printing. Right after, replace the new print head. So let it print the alignment page, then we will scan it. I will show you how to scan the alignment page. Okay guys, it's printing now alignment page. Right after print the alignment page, we will scan the page and will finish the alignment process. So just let it print. Alignment page printing will printing process consume a bit delay, so just be patient and let it print, then we will scan it. Okay, then we will scan this page, place it and press copy button, black or color, anything, and just hold on. This power light started flashing, so let it stop, then the alignment process will complete. Hey guys, alignment process has been finished. Now power light stop flashing. Printer is ready to print, and you can print test page while pressing these two buttons simultaneously, and it will print for you printer status report to show the print quality. Just place the paper and press these two buttons together and wait until power light start flashing. Okay, power light start flashing, but this is printing alignment page, so we have to stop it, return back on again, then we press these two buttons together. It will print printer status report without connecting to the PC. You have to press right after turn on, press these two buttons together, it will print the status report. Now that's it for now. Thank you for watching. All the best.